Hey everybody, it's Kia of Saskatoon here with another fantastic trade-in where we want to see you in a Kia, but in this case, maybe a 2017 Ford Escape Titanium with a trailer hitch. That's right, it has a trailer hitch so you can actually tow some stuff with it. Awesome deal. It has the power lift gate, it has remote start. Also as well, if we go inside, you're going to see it has a heated steering wheel. It has heated seats as well. It has Sync 3 push button start. Now the Sync 3 will also come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If not, you can just get that updated and you'll be able to have that. This thing only has 22,000 kilometers as well, and get this, this Escape was kept inside a garage. So that means it barely even saw winter. So if you come on down to Kia of Saskatoon, take a look at this gorgeous Escape. You can come test drive it here as well. We got experts here willing to demonstrate and show you. Look at that, even a panoramic moonroof. That is insane. So come on down to Kia of Saskatoon. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram as well. And also make sure to hit subscribe and watch all of our YouTube videos. Anyways, take care. Hope to see you here.